To Nigerians, as Nigeria is now eligible for Facebook monetization. Now, if you reside in Nigeria, you don't need to check or look for somebody that will help you monetize your Facebook account. You can now monetize it by yourself here in Nigeria. Now, let me show you how to know if you are eligible. First thing you do is you go to your Facebook, you open your Facebook app, you click on this, your Facebook app will open. Now, once your Facebook app open, the next thing you have to do is to click on this your profile menu. You click on this your profile menu, this one here. Let me shift this. You click on this one here. Okay, this place that shows your small face. So if you click on it, it opens. Once it's open, now the next thing you do is you click on this. You click on this drop arrow to select the particular account you want to monetize. Okay, you click on that, you click on it. Once you open, me, I want to check for this particular one, King's FinTech. Now, once it switches, it's going to switch to that particular account you want to check. So now the next thing you do is you click on this triple arrow. You click on this triple arrow. If you click on this triple arrow, now it opens. Now, once it opens, the next thing you do is just go straight to professional dashboard. You go to professional dashboard. Once you come to professional dashboard, now the next thing you check is the monetization. This is the monetization. So you scroll to that side and then click on that monetization. Once you click on it, now the main one you need to check is the in-stream ad. This is the one you will check. This is the in-stream ad. We have other ones, but this is the main one. You click on in-stream ad and then you scroll up. Once you scroll up, you are going to see that, look at it, I reside in Nigeria and they say that my country is eligible. I'm so happy Nigeria is eligible. So after that, the next thing you do is what you are going to, all these criteria have to be met before you can be monetized. You have to check, first of all, you have to reach these 5,000 followers. Okay, 5,000 followers and then 60,000 watch minutes. 5,000 followers, 60,000 watch minutes, and then at least you have to share at least 5 eligible videos in less than 30 minutes. This one is even very easy, less than 30 days. Just share 3 videos, 5 videos, okay? Not real, 5 videos. Once you share 5 videos, that is post 5 videos. Once you post 5 videos, this one will mark. Then this 60 minutes watch time is that people need to watch your content up to 60,000 minutes in 60 days, and 60 days is 2 months. It's very easy to do as far as you are posting consistently. Okay, you will get that. So it's very easy. So that is that for that. So that is exactly how to check if you are eligible. You can check your own and then you discover that you are eligible. So once you're eligible, you can go straight and then monetize your account and start making your money. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please give this video a like and then comment. All right, subscribe to my channel for more. I will still do video on how to monetize. I have an account that is already eligible, that have met all the criteria. I will show you step-by-step method on how to monetize your account. Thank you very much. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. We love you. Bye bye.